Multiple choice questions for basic accounting. So here is the first question. The future economic benefits embodied in an asset may flow to the enterprise in a number of ways. Which is the exception? Letter A. An asset may be used singly or in combination with other assets in the production of goods and services to be sold by the enterprise. Letter B. An asset may be exchanged for other assets. Letter C. An asset may be distributed to the owners of the enterprise. And letter D. An asset may be used to convert an obligation to equity. So here, the question asks, which of the following from letter A to letter D is the exception where the future economic benefits embodied in an asset? Ibig sabihin, ito lahat are future economic benefits embodied in an asset except what? Letter A. An asset may be used singly or in combination with other assets. So, magagamit ba natin ang asset kahit siya lang isa? Or magagamit natin with the combination of other assets? For example, the cash and the equipment in the production of goods and services to be sold by the enterprise. Yes, diba? Whether it is singly or in combination, we can use the assets for future economic benefits. Next, an asset may be exchanged for other assets. Yes, asset may be exchanged for other assets. For example, the accounts receivable is considered as an asset. Diba? Accounts receivable, those are to be collected with the customers. And if the customers pay the accounts receivable in cash, so this accounts receivable is converted into cash. Therefore, and both of them are assets. So, therefore, an asset may be exchanged for other assets. Letter C, or another example for this before we will proceed to letter C. When you will buy equipment. So, diba, if you will buy equipment, equipment is an asset also. And if in buying equipment, anong binibigay natin in exchange of the equipment, diba? Cash. So, and cash is another asset. So, we converted to cash into equipment. Letter C, an asset may be distributed to the owners of the enterprise. Yes. So, after, or if there is a profit and there is a cash available, and it can be distributed to the owners of the enterprise. So, letter D, an asset may be used to convert an obligation to equity. No, asset cannot be converted or cannot be used to convert an obligation to equity. So, the correct answer is letter D. Next question. Inventories are assets which are, letter A, held for sale in the ordinary course of business, in the process of production for such sale, in the form of materials or supplies to be consumed in the production process, or in the rendering of services, all of the above. So, ulit ha, inventories are assets which are held for sale. Yes, when we say inventories, itinitinda natin ito, or it is held for sale for the ordinary course of business. For example, in a pharmacy, so what are the inventories? So, medicines and others nga binibenta ng pharmacy. Then, in the process of production for such sale, yes. In the form of materials, yes, materials or supplies to be consumed in the production process or in the rendering of services? Yes, also. Therefore, inventories are the three: held for sale in the ordinary course of business, in the process of production for such sale, and in the form of materials or supplies to be consumed in the production process or in the rendering of services. The correct answer is letter D, all of the above. So thank you, class. Don't forget to share it with your classmates and your loved ones.